Hi, welcome to iCube Billing Software. Today I am going to show you how to add a product in iCube Billing Software. Before add a product in the software, you first add category. Then go to the same master entry and add subcategory or brand option. After add the category and subcategory, you open add product menu. This is the product entry menu. First you can see here the product name. First you add the product name. Then you can see here the product name in second language. If you want to add the product name in other language, you just click here. Select the category and subcategory and type the HSN code. If you have a part or group number, you can type here. If you have any description, type here and add the purchase price. Then add the MRP price. Then add the retail price. Then the wholesale price. Minimum stock alert, you just add here. If you want to add the sales discount percentage, you can add here and add the purchase and sales unit. If you have any conversion value, you can add here. Then you can add the storage place and the rack number also. Then select the tax type, sale and purchase tax type, you can select. Then select the GST slab. If you have any opening stock, you can add. Click the extra info, you can see the batch series number. If you have any batch series number, you just type the batch series number. Then you can add the manufacturing and expiry date also. Then you can add size. If you have any color, you can add the color. Then click save. Successfully saved. Now the product is added. Thank you for watching this video.